Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the raw footage and Capcut version so you don't chase symptoms. Open the project, inspect clip properties, frame rate, and resolution matter for smooth slow motion. Once done, update Capcut and clear cache to remove corrupted temporary data. Import the original high FPS clip, 60 FPS or higher, rather than a re-encoded file. This preserves frame data. Doing this ensures the app has enough frames to interpolate when you slow playback, preventing stutter from missing frames. Now apply slow motion with the right tool and settings. Select the clip, open speed and choose curve for controlled ramping or normal for constant slowdown. You want gradual changes to avoid abrupt frame drops. Then pick a target speed consistent with your source FPS. For example, half speed on 60 FPS yields smooth 30 FPS playback. If Capcut offers frame interpolation or optical flow, enable it so the app generates intermediate frames. This fills gaps and produces fluid motion instead of choppy results. Finish by exporting with settings that preserve your slow motion. Match the project FPS, choose a high bitrate, and export to a widely compatible codec so playback stays smooth. Once exported, test the file on multiple players to rule out player decoding issues. If stutter still appears, re-import the original footage and try a slightly different speed or switch interpolation mode. As a key troubleshooting tip, use a desktop editor with advanced optical flow. If Capcut's mobile interpolation can't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.